Hello. In this lesson, we are going to talk about upgrading Apigee components. In the previous lesson, you saw how to bootstrap the hosts in your Apigee planet to prepare for an upgrade. The bootstrapping process reconfigures access to your Apigee software repository by pointing it to the new version to which you are upgrading. This lesson provides an overview of the next step, the component upgrade process. The installation and upgrade processes are similar in some ways. For instance, both use scripts included in the Apigee setup utility and use the same response file. An important difference between the two processes is that while the installation process operates on profiles, the upgrade process operates on components. Remember that a profile, such as DS for data stores or RMP for routers and message processors, can bundle together multiple components. Since components from more than one profile can be stacked together on a single host, the upgrade process enforces ordering by targeting specific components in some cases. Here is a list of the available components you can upgrade. Note that each of the open source components have a dedicated component name. These components are normally upgraded first, and the ordering is important. There is also an Edge component, which includes any Apigee Edge component other than the UI. The UI component targets just the UI. Finally, the DP component is for the developer portal. The upgrade program will care for upgrading RPMs to the newer software release, updating service configurations and updating or migrating data if necessary, and restarting services. In some cases, the only action will be to upgrade the RPMs and restart services. For components such as Cassandra or PostgreSQL, a data update or migration may occasionally be necessary, and this will be done for you. The response file used for upgrading is identical to the one used for installation. You should keep the response file in a secure place so that you can reuse it for the initial installation as well as for future upgrades. On occasion, a new variable may be added to the response file. The release notes for each release will clearly identify any changes to the response file so that you can update it if needed. The ordering of component upgrades can vary from release to release. If underlying database components, such as Cassandra or PostgreSQL, are upgraded to a new upstream release, the ordering may change slightly, so be sure to check the release notes and documented upgrade procedure for details. The typical ordering is to upgrade Cassandra and Zookeeper first, Cupid second, PostgreSQL third, and OpenLDAP fourth. With the open source components upgraded, the Edge profile can be applied in order on Cupid servers, Postgres servers, management servers, routers, and finally message processors. This ordering will be the same in multi-region installations as well. Each component should be upgraded in order across all regions before moving on to the next component. Here, you see that all Cassandra and Zookeeper components in both regions are upgraded first, followed by all Cupid components in both regions, and so on. Following the upgrade, you should run Apigee all status to ensure that all services are running. You will also need to re-enable the Cassandra Node Tool Repair maintenance job if you temporarily disabled it for the upgrade. Finally, you will want to perform post-upgrade validation and testing as described in the upgrade validation lesson. For more information on this topic, refer to our documentation. If you have any questions, please post them to our community. Thanks for watching.